The fresh coconut emulsion is gently agitated. A robotic sensor array measures the total.
The pressure on the V100 line is holding steady at 200 kPa.
Good. And the temperature stability across the pre-processing flow looks optimal.
The high-speed automated bottling line ensures thousands of bottles are sterilized before the robotic arms proceed. This final physical check reinforces the rigorous controls applied at every stage of Process A.
The sifter removes any remaining coarse particles, ensuring the meal achieves a consistent, fine mesh.
Seal integrity confirmed on Silo 4.
Readings match. No moisture ingress detected.
sifting metrics look excellent. We are maintaining 98% purity.
Affirmed. The pneumatic transfer is stable.
Unloaded and meticulously arranged, the high-protein coconut meal makes its debut on the retail shelves, completing the journey from our modern facility.
Some meal offers clear benefits, confirming its strong competitive.
The high-protein coconut meal powder exhibits a remarkably uniform particle size.
The texture is just incredible, and with the high protein content, these muffins are perfect.
The high-protein coconut meal is added as a key nutritional component alongside grains and supplements.
The high-protein coconut meal provides a savory, delicate crust, showcasing its versatility in gourmet.
This coconut meal is packed with fiber and protein. It makes a perfect, healthy alternative for our outreach program, as you can see.
Ensure the tension is correct on all straps.
Confirmed. The load is stable for transit.
The analyzer confirms high digestibility.
And the growth metrics are exceeding expectations.
The meal is visibly blended with hay and other supplements, enriching the feed mixture. The livestock eagerly...
As you can see right here, it's completely gluten-free and has 20 grams of protein.
Yeah,
Well,
that's exactly what I need. I'll take one.
excellent choice. Here you are.
Through innovative dual-process manufacturing, we achieve 100% material utilization.
100% coconut meal, exactly what I'm looking for. It's important to know what you're eating.
Showcasing the versatility of our high-protein coconut meal. Its unique binding properties create the perfect golden crust.
The kids love the taste, and with this high-protein coconut meal, I know it's a healthy choice.
The consistency is perfect for my smoothies, and the price point makes it a fantastic value compared to others on the market.
The massive scale illustrates the product's reach to international markets, allowing us to confirm batch traceability and long-distance transport integrity.
The data looks very promising. The amino acid profile is complete.
Excellent. We can finalize the report on the raw material stability.
High protein, gluten-free, and high fiber content.
This looks interesting. Maybe we should try this one.
Wow, the packaging is excellent. It arrived in pristine condition thanks to the air pillows. Oh, that smells